guys, and welcome to today's video. I haven't filmed in so long, so it feels kind of weird, but I did want to show you guys my birthday haul. Yes, my birthday was a month ago, but I never got the chance to show you guys what I got since school started and everything. So that's what I am doing today. I'm going to be showing you guys my little birthday haul, what I got for my birthday, and hopefully you guys like it. If you're new to the channel, before the video starts, make sure to click the subscribe button and bell icon so you guys don't miss my uploads. Okay, so I don't know what to start with because there's so many good things, but I feel like I want to start with Kate Spade. I did get a couple things from Kate Spade for my birthday, from my boyfriend, and I also bought myself one bag from Kate Spade. So I have a couple boxes here of Kate Spade stuff that I'm going to show you guys. So starting off with the little box, I got just this cute little brown and white colored wallet. I really love it. I think this is, I don't know what kind of wallet this is called. I think it's like a trifold or a bifold wallet. So it has all these little slots in here, and then it just has like a little pouch for bills, like money, and then a little pouch for coins. I really love these colors. I feel like they're going to be perfect for fall, and they're just so cute. So I got this little wallet, and next I have a bag. This one my boyfriend also got me, so it's just this really cute little like shoulder bag. It's so cute and so tiny. It's just in this little pink, I mean not pink, white color. And this one's also going to be really good for fall. I really love these little tiny bags. I don't like to carry around any big bags or purses. I'm really like a tiny shoulder bag kind of girl. So yeah, I saw this one in the store and I really loved it, and it was on my birthday list, so he went and got it for me, and I just love this one so much. I've actually already worn it a bunch of times because it's just so useful and it goes with everything. My old white one was getting a little bit ratty, so I'm so happy that I got this one now, and it just has the little gold detailing, so I really love this one. Next is the bag that I actually bought myself for my birthday, and this one goes with the wallet that my boyfriend got me. I absolutely like fell in love with this bag when I saw it, and so I had to get it, but it's just so beautiful. So it's just this little shoulder bag. It's still wrapped up because I haven't used it yet, but it's just a little shoulder bag, and it's the same, like I said, it matches the wallet, so it just has the brown and like cream color on it, and it's this beautiful leather. It has a little pouch back here, and then on the inside it just looks like that. So I haven't used it yet, but I'm really excited to. Again, I feel like these colors and this bag is going to be so perfect for fall, so I'm really excited to wear it. It still has all the nice like wrapping on it. I should have taken it off, but I haven't used it yet, so maybe soon I will. I'll probably post some pictures of it on Instagram. If you guys want to follow me there, it is linked down below, and I will also put the names on the screen for my social medias if you guys want to follow me there. Next, I did pick up some things from Apple. This is technically for school, but also a birthday present to myself. So I did get myself an iPad, like I said, for school. Yeah, I did start school this year, so I wanted to get an iPad to take my notes on and stuff. So I just got this one. I got the iPad Air 5th generation, I think, and it's the light pink color, so I was super excited about this. I did get the keyboard and the pen as well, and the pen is like engraved. So I did get my Apple iPad, and so far I love it. I actually have been using it already. It's not even in this box, but I do really like it. This is the actual iPad itself. I'll take it out of the case for you guys, but it has this fancy, I have it like set up already with my little mood board, but it has this fancy light up keyboard already, which also doubles as the case. And then this is the iPad. It's so pretty, the color. It's a very, very like light pink color, but it's so nice. And it literally weighs nothing. And then this is the pen that I got, and it did come with an engraving, like a free engraving. So I just got my initials on there, a little AM with a heart, and I think it is so adorable. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but really cute. Next, from Sephora, I got my little birthday gift from there. So it came in this cute little bag, and I did get the Away set from Sephora, the little like hair set. So it comes with a little perfume, a shampoo, body cleanser and a leave-in conditioner. So it's just like basically little travel size things. I wanted the Dior one, but they were sold out, of course. But I'm really excited to try this. I haven't tried any of their products yet, so this will be my first time trying it, and it's perfect because they're just tiny ones. Next, my boyfriend did get me that little necklace. I think people have probably seen it on TikTok, but it's just this box, and it unfolds and it has this little like preserved rose in it. It's so pretty. And then if you open the drawer, I'm actually already wearing it, but it's just one of those necklaces that says I love you in 100 different languages. And I like cried when he gave it to me because it was so cute. And I was so happy. But yeah, so he got me this and I was really excited about it. Next, from my best friend, she got me this little cutie pink top from Garage. It's just a little like ribbed kind of like t-shirt with little buttons here, and it is so cute. I love the pink color, so I'm really excited to wear this. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this to school for sure, but I think it's such a good little like just like grab and go, not grab and go, but like just throw it on and go kind of shirt. But it's so cute, and obviously pink is my favorite color. So next, I gifted myself something else, and it is from UGG. So I did get a pair of slippers for myself. I've been wanting a pair of these for so long. These are the UGG Scuff or like Scoff slippers, something like that. I did get them in the, I believe this is called like the mustard color, some mustard seed or something like that. And I actually think I'm gonna exchange these for the regular like chestnut color. I like these in the picture online, but when they came, I was like, I don't think I actually really like the color. So I think I'm just gonna exchange these for the regular coloring, but I do really like how fluffy they are. They're so soft inside. So I'm really excited to wear these, but I did get these for myself for my birthday because I need a new pair of slippers. My other ones are kind of like ratty. So I just got these. They are so cute and I'm so excited to wear them. And last but definitely not least, I did gift myself something kind of big for my birthday, and you can already see the bag. I did go and get myself a Louis Vuitton bag. This is not my first Louis Vuitton bag, but it is the very first one that I've bought myself like full price from the store because I've bought one consignment before. So this is my very first Louis bag that I purchased for myself with my own money, and I just love it so much. I have to show you guys. So yeah, on my birthday, me and my boyfriend went to Yorkdale, which is the mall like closest to me that has this all the designer stuff, and we picked up my purse. So it was super exciting, and I think I'm starting to get him into the designer stuff because he was thinking like maybe he should buy something afterwards. So we're getting there, girls. I did purchase this little bag, and it's still in the dust bag because I am like nervous to wear it, but I did get the Louis Vuitton loop bag. So this is what it looks like. It is so beautiful. It just has the monogram all around it, and it has the gold detailing on it, and I just love it so much. I've literally been looking at this bag on the website for like over a year, and I just decided my birthday was the day and I was gonna go get it. It still has little wrapping on it because like I said, I haven't worn it yet because I'm like nervous, but it's so beautiful and I'm so happy. It also comes with a strap that like you can lengthen to wear like crossbody, but I don't really like wearing crossbody. So I just have the gold chain on it, and it's so beautiful. Also, we had a great experience at the Louis Vuitton store. They were so nice, so helpful. I went and I knew exactly which bag I wanted, so the sales associate just brought it right out, and they gave us water, which was fizzy, so I didn't like the fizzy water, but I still drank it because it's from Louis Vuitton, and my boyfriend thought it was funny. But yeah, so we just had a great experience there, and I just really love the people at the store, and obviously I got a shiny new bag, so I was super happy about that. Also, I just want to say thank you to everyone who gifted me anything for my birthday and anything that I showed in this video. Sorry if I missed anything. I feel like I forgot a couple things to add in the video that people gifted me, so sorry if I did, but thank you everyone who gifted me everything for my birthday and who came to my birthday party and wished me happy birthday. It was such a good birthday this year, and I really appreciate it. So thank you to everyone, and thank you guys for watching this video as well. yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to follow my social media and also like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment if you feel like it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!